1962 Chevy Bel Air. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 62 Bel Air, finished in this beautiful off-white color. Get a little close-up on it here. Very, very pretty. Bubbletop car. It's a custom, custom built. They were doing that at some point in time. So it's a Bubbletop car now. And they did a fantastic job of it, really. It's powered by a 402 big block, which is dressed as a 409, and they really did that nicely, which you'll see when I get to the engine. 4-speed on the floor with factory red interior, red line radial tires with the dog dish caps on it. So we'll start in the front as always, and here we go. Nice chrome bumper here. You see a couple marks. I got a coffee cup in my hand on it there. A little bit of light marking on it, and then I know over here looks like a little scrape on it. But the bezels and the grille and the emblem in the front are all brand new. The fitment all the way around is very nice. The way the hood lines up to the fenders, as well as the doors and the trunk lid and whatnot. There's really not that many flaws on the car. It was a frame up restoration on a very solid car to begin with. Let me just put my coffee down here. You got 409 badges on, but let me pop the hood here and I'll show you the engine. 402 big block, dressed as a 409. I love the way they did the valve covers. Really, really looks cool. You got your factory air cleaner that goes in there. Stupid cool. Aluminum radiator with the black cap on top to make it look factory original. Like a repro kind of battery top to it. It's got headers on there which dump out into exhaust that comes out right in front of the rear wheels. It's a 72 motor. You see the tag in place there. And yeah, super cool in here. A lot of recent stuff has been done. I see front bushings that have been redone. It's got a brand new Holley carb on there, 4-barrel. I'm going to take a picture of that later on because air cleaner is a pain in the butt to get on and off. Aluminum intake on there. And with front suspension bushings, this looks newer. Yeah, and anything else that pops in my mind, I'll tell you about. So we'll keep going down this side of the car. Also, underhood, really nice. And I love how they painted the brackets gold with the black springs on both sides. Just a nice little, tasteful thing to do. Grab my coffee here. Nice line here. I know there's a couple, looks like a chip and a couple bubbles right in that corner there. But down here, super nice. And I know you can see them, there's 2 chips right there. The glass, some of the glass or all the glass might be original. So on this, you get a little bit in the, I don't even know what that's called, but you see that. Just a tiny bit right there. But the windshield in general, really nice condition. So keep moving down here. I showed you those 2 chips already. You see the exhaust that comes out. Sounds really cool. Sounds very muscle. Of course, with the big block. It's a Muncie 4-speed trans, by the way. Open it up. VIN tag. So real bubble tops. They did not make too many of them, and I believe the Bel Air was the only car in 62 that you could get a bubble top in. I know 61 was the Impala bubble top. Nice painted door jamb. So let's hop in. Carpet, which pretty much, sorry how long the camera was blurry, pretty much looks new. You see the 4-speed on the floor with the bench seats. You got tack there. Nice gauges. Very nice dash here. If I didn't show you a close-up of the seats, Looks super nice. Really, really nice. Look recent, actually. And the headliner with the working dome light, that's mint. That's excellent condition. Back seats, excellent. With excellent door panels. I mean, the interior pretty much looks all new. Even the back deck there is super nice. So we'll keep going down the side of the car here. Doors open and close nicely as they should. I see a couple marks on top of the paint right there. One more right there. Get a close up here, going up. Trying to think if there's anything else. A couple baby pencil tip, bubbles right there. But there's nothing else. Let me see what this is. A little tiny pencil tip stone chip right there. Back bumper is just about the same as the front. You see a little bit of light pitting on it, but that's about it. And this looks like a new piece. These don't look bad. I have brand new with that and this in a box that goes with the car. I mean, they look fine, but I got brand new ones that are included. These all look very nice. And the trunk fitment is excellent. So let me pop the trunk here. Nicely finished with the triple mattes and spatter paint. I got a spare tire for you. Nice and solid. Looks like the original trunk pan for sure. You can feel the undercoating there. These are definitely original quarters, excuse me. Original. So, there we go. New weather stripping, and they nicely painted the jamb here for the trunk. And under here, this is super nice as well. When it is time to drive it, I will get in the car. Since it's a 4-speed, show how it drives. Sounds great. Drives even better. You see here, no bubbles. This is going to come off. Yep, came off. I'm sorry, I heard my dad say something. A little chip down there. will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. If you want to check it out, let us know. So you can even see how recent they are, because this is super clean down there. 62 Bel Air custom bubble top 402 4-speed Muncie. Sorry, I'm trying to see my camera here. Like an off-white with red interior. So we will fire it up here soon, and then we will drive it. Almost done. A couple baby marks right there on the paint. A couple more right there. Trying to see. Nope. No bubbles on the lower of this side of the car. Just a couple on that side, and those couple baby ones in that back corner. All of which were pointed out, of course. Nicely painted in there as well. And a little chip right there. So there you go. We are going to fire it up now and then drive it. Thank you.